what if I was to tell you that if you made a 58-second short form video and uploaded it onto TikTok, you could make $344,000 in profit? But even crazier, what if I was to tell you that you'd make all of this profit by talking about a product that you don't have to worry about shipment for, that you don't have to worry about any customer service for? All you'd have to worry about is creating the 58-second video. You would probably call me crazy, except I've got the proof and we're going to talk about this in just a second. Now, this is something that's called TikTok Shop Affiliate, where creators are promoting products for TikTok shops and getting paid commissions. Now, this is one of the best ways to make money here on TikTok in the year 2024. Now, if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Victor. I help beginner TikTok shop affiliate creators make their first dollar online like I did. I do this by covering success case studies like this and breaking them down into easy to follow simple steps that you can go ahead and try out for yourself. If that sounds good to you, be sure to drop a big like. And if you watch all the way up until the end, and if you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe. Now, I've made a very bold claim here. So the first thing I'm going to do is prove it to you. Now, the case study that we're looking at here is this creator. We can see the video and we can see the revenue that they generated in total for the shop. We can also see how many views that they generated from the 58-second video which they uploaded promoting this product here, this 15-day cleanse gut and colon support. We can also see that the commission that they receive for every single sale of this unit is 20%. So every time someone buys one of these from this video that they've created, they get 20% commission from the shop. Now, where it gets interesting is because they get 20% commission, they got 3.2 million views. They generated that in total. So that in turn means they receive 20% of that as commission from this 58-second video that they created. Now, 20% of that, if you can do the math, you will work it out to be $344,000. Not going to the shop, not going to TikTok, going to this creator's bank account just as commission on its own. And the shop would have received this amount right here to work out with TikTok and whatever the split is between the shop and TikTok. This is absolutely nuts for creating a 58-second video. And the crazy thing is, they are not the only person doing this. As you can see, if we look onto the product page here on Shoplus, which is the tool that I'm using, I've got a link in the description if you want to check it out, by the way, and look at all this information yourself. I think they do a discount and a free trial for first-time users as well. As you can see, there's a ton of other creators here that are promoting the very same product, that are getting a ton of views from TikTok, that are making a ton of money as well. Now, obviously, these are not typical results. I'm not going to lie and say, and if every single time you upload a video promoting this product, you're going to get these results. That is just not the case, obviously. But there is an opportunity, there is a chance that you could be one of those people that earn this much as well. Even if you didn't get this many views, even if you didn't get this many sales, you can still, imagine just even 10% of that, 20% of this commission, 30%. What would you do with that extra money going into your bank account at the end of the day from creating a 58-second video? So this is crazy. Now, what happens as well, what we can also do is click onto this linked section here, which will take us directly onto TikTok, where we can watch the actual video from the creator as well, which we won't do just in case there is any copyrighted music here. But I digress. Now, in terms of the TikTok shop affiliate process and how that works for those who are not aware, and the process that this creator most likely followed in order to achieve these results as well. I'm going to quickly run through that at a very, very high level for those who are new to TikTok shop affiliate. Cheeky plug, I have got a TikTok shop affiliate beginner course that is free, linked in the description as well if you want to check that out after you've watched this video. But at a very, very high level, what they would have done as a first step is they would have obviously qualified to become a TikTok shop affiliate. We can see they've got that many followers, so they would have easily qualified. Whether they converted an account that was doing something else and started selling on it, or whether they started as a TikTok shop affiliate, I don't know. But the main thing you want to do firstly is qualify as a TikTok shop affiliate and meet the minimum requirements, which is 5,000 followers if you are based in the UK. Now, I know there's some hacks and workarounds around that, but ultimately that is sort of the official minimum that you need. TikTok changed it to 1,000 followers at some point as well, but they keep fluctuating between 1,000 and 5,000 followers over the age of 18, and you need to be adhering to community guidelines as well. That's the first hurdle. The second step they would have had to do is use a tool like Shoplus that I'm using, a spy tool which tells you what is selling well on TikTok Shop. Now, as you can see, Shoplus lists all products that are selling well here in this order. You can see you've got the number one selling, you've got the second, the third, they all ranked for you to see here. You've got different categories as well. It's not the same type of product. It's not like just health product or, you know, just electronic products. There's clothing, there's all types of different products. So you can work out what niche you want to go into, what resonates the most with you, what you're comfortable talking about as a TikTok Shop affiliate. Now, obviously, a lot of people would have gone for these top 5 products because they're doing very well and they're likely to continue doing well as well. So once you've used a spy tool like this and you've worked out what it is you're going to promote as a TikTok Shop affiliate, the next thing they would have had to do is get the product in hand. Acquire the product. And how do you go about doing that? Well, there's a number of ways. The first and the quickest way to go about doing it is to go somewhere like Amazon and purchase this same product with next day delivery and start making videos while the product is still hot. The second way is to contact the shop directly from TikTok, from within the app, and see if one, they offer free samples, and if they do, fill in a short application to get a free sample from the shop, which just means they'll just send you the product for free so that you can make videos about that product. It literally takes 2 seconds to do that. The shop will then come back, look at your profile, decide if you're serious enough and if you're someone that's likely to do that video after they send you their product for free. And if they decide you are that person, they will send you that free sample, and therefore you've got the product in your hand and you can start creating videos. The third way is buying it directly from TikTok Shop as a customer and getting it that way. So, you know, there's a number of different ways you can get the product, but ultimately you want the product in your hands. The fourth way is if you had the product already, you know, if you've already got it in your cupboard and you were using it anyway, you can start doing that as well. Or you can just walk into your local supermarket and see if they've got it in there as well as a fifth option, rather than ordering it online, which is another quick way that you can use in order to get that in your hands. So a number of different options there. Now, the fifth thing they would have done is they would have then gone ahead and come back and used a spy tool like this, and they would have seen what other people are doing, what videos they're creating, what they're saying in these videos. And the easiest way to do that, you just go into the product that you've chosen here, which I've done, and you get taken to this product detail page here. And once you do that, you've got all these creators. Once you click on the creator's profile, I'm going to click on this one, for example, just randomly, and you get taken to influencer details page. You can see their videos and all types of information, and so you can actually play the videos as well to hear what they're saying, to get an idea of the type of scripting they use and what they are doing actively within that video in order to influence people to actually purchase the product. Same thing here on this page that I've just been on. You can actually download the video, you can download the script as well, or you can export it, or you can just do what I did, click on this linked icon here, which will take you back onto the TikTok app, and you can essentially just listen to the video there. This will give you inspiration so you understand what people are saying, what they're doing in order to convert and get these conversions. Now, fifth thing they would have done obviously is start creating the videos. Now, if we go back onto the creator's profile here, we can see that they've obviously got a decent amount of followers, but don't worry about followers, by the way, because TikTok Shop is not tied to how many followers you've got. It is literally just tied to how interested people are in your videos and buying the product that you're talking about. But they've got a number of videos. We can see that it's a mixture of personal stuff, but also videos where they're promoting different things as well. But ultimately, the message I'm trying to send across, very rarely will you strike gold on your first video. It may be on your second, third, 15th, 30th, just as long as you keep showing up. But the crazy thing is, from the very first video that you upload promoting a product like this, that very first view, even if you are only getting 100 to 300 views or anything like that, that's potential for someone to actually purchase that product. That one view could be one sale, 2 views, 2 sales, 10 views, 10 sales, etc. So you're not trapped in a cycle where you're trying to go viral every single time. Even if you just get hundreds of views on your videos, you could still be making a pretty decent amount of money. I mean, I'm not going to do it here, but you can kind of work out roughly 20% of $14.40, how much that would work out to be per sale, and multiply that by maybe 50, 100, 150 to get an idea of, even if you were getting a few views, how much you would be able to make, which is another good thing about TikTok Shop Affiliate as well. And yeah, ultimately that is the case study there. Again, $344,000 from a 58-second video there, which is just absolutely nuts. Again, feel free to check out the tool that I've used here in the description. I've also got a free course that you can check out in the description as well if you would like to get started as a TikTok Shop affiliate. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.